hello hello friends. Today now we are going to solve the lead code problem number 1014, best sightseeing pairs, and the question mark as medium, and a statement given that you are given an integers arrays values where values ith represent the value of ith sightseeing spot, and two sightseeing spot I and j have the distance between them, and the score of a pair I less than j of the sightseeing spot is the sum of the values of the sightseeing spot minus the distance between them. So, and they return the maximum score of a pair of sightseeing spot. Okay, so here it's given the expression like values I plus values j plus I minus j. So it said that the I and the j must not be equal, and the sightseeing is what? The sightseeing is nothing but the sum of the values of the sightseeing spot. Okay, like what is the sightseeing spot? The sightseeing spot is this. Okay, I plus I and the values of j minus j. We simplify it and we can say that like this is the first spot and this is the second spot. Okay, and we have to return the maximum summation of this both spots. Okay, so like here we can find the 8 and the 5, and which the value is highest, and we can like we are thinking which values is highest on the arrays, in the arrays, and their index is also not equals. Okay, so like the index of the 8 is 0 and the index of 5 is 2, and their difference is also 2, like 0 minus 2, the index difference is 2, and the summation of 5 and 2 is 13. So here like values 8 plus 5, 0 plus index 0 minus index jth index 2, so it will give answer 11. Okay, so it's our maximum sightseeing sports score. Okay, so how we can solve it? We can solve it using using two nested loop. Like it's check the our I start from here and j start from here, and it's add these values, and it's subtract their indices like 8, like from this expression. Okay, like the values of ith is 8 and the position is 0, plus the values of jth is 1 and the position is 1. So it what is that? It eventually it is 8, and our j moves here. Okay, 5. So now 8 ith position sightseeing is 8, and the 5 in jth position, and the jth position at the index second. So what? 3 plus 8, it's 11. Okay, so we now our answer is that, and we check what is the maximum. Okay, so now our maximum answer is this, and it goes on. Our j like goes here, then goes here, and now the condition doesn't fill in the nested loops in this second loop. So our I moves here and j moves here. Okay, and then it goes continue on. Okay, and whatever answer, like assume like it's given, this is our answer. So it's our brute force approach, and the time complexity is in quadratic, like O of n square. So what we can, how we can optimize it? like we can optimize it in the in linear time complexity. Let's see, like we have our expression values I plus I, okay, plus values j minus j, okay. So initially what we have to do, we have to like we have an variable max left, okay, which is nothing but which represent ith export, okay, which represent ith export. So at the index here, like values of 0 index plus the index is 0, like I here, our I is here, so it will be 8, okay, and our answer is 0 at the initial phase, okay. And our loop starts from, like our j is equal to 1 and it's n minus 1, like this. And first what we do, we update our answer, okay. Answer, okay. So our answer will be the max of the answer, and the what is that, our expression, we have to write our expression like this, okay. So values, the max left represent what, the value at the highest index, okay, max left, plus we will write values jth plus jth minus j here, okay. And then we update the max left, like we will check continuously whether our the ith sightseeing export is greater than from the previous one. If it is, so we have to update it also. So what, so max left, and yeah, so we will check from, this is our ith site export, okay. So values 8 j plus j, it's simple, and we will return the answer, okay. Like it's like check, like our arrays 8 1 5 2 and 6 here, okay, 2 and 6 here. So initially our max left is 8, and our index start from here, like z is here, our ith is here, okay. So what we, when our loop start, so at the here, at this position, at this line, our answer is what, 8 here, 8, and the max left is also 8, okay. Our answer is 0, and our max left is 8, and the values is I minus 1, okay. So our answer is what, 8. So our answer update to 8, okay. What is that, max? So it is this gone, okay. And then our line moves to the next line, our compiler moves to the next line. What is at this line, max, we check whether our site is seeing export is greater than previous one. If so, yes, so we will update like. So now it is the like max of left. So our max of left, max left is still 8 here. And now when we get from this expression, okay, so what, so ith index of I plus 1 plus 1 will be 2, still it's 8. Okay, so like our answer max, okay, our index moves to here and ith position is still here, so it checks max length. So max length is still 8 and the 5 minus the index is jth index is 2, so it will be what, 11. 8 plus sorry like here our answer, so answer is 8 and the next left plus value is 8 ith position. Okay, so it will be sorry value is at jth position, so it will be this. Okay, it will be this. So eventually, so 8 plus 5 minus 3 is 11. So our answer updated to 11. Okay, and now we check the max left, means our ith sightseeing spots. Okay, so max left is 8 still, and now we are at the 5 index. So 5 plus 2, it will be 7. So no, it will not update here, and our cursor moves to sorry our jth index moves to here, and our like here our answer is 11 now, and max left is 8 plus jth index values minus index is 3, so it will 7 I think. Okay, so it will not update, so still our answer is 11, and we will check our whether our ith pair index is greater than or not. Okay, so like we are here, so 2 plus 3 it is 5, like 8 or 5, so 8 is max, so it will not also update. Okay, then our j moves here, and we will check 6 minus 4, it will be 2, so 10. So 10 is not greater than 11, so our answer is still 11, and we will check the ith sightseeing. So 6 plus 4, okay, yeah, so it's a 10, so 10 is greater than 8, so our max left or ith sightseeing is 10. But now we iterate all the elements, so our condition not fulfilled after that. Okay, so our what will it return answer? Our answer will be 11. That's it. I hope you will get it.